And if we look at safety as the necessary evil, that we have to have certain structures in place, then of course it's always, well, do we need a police force? Do we need a fire department? If there's no fires, if there are no crimes, then we might be quite well without them. But it's all have to be based on a risk assessment. And going back a few years, we used to look at there should be a certain percentage towards security in our programs, and that should be, each budget should be allocated a certain percentage. Different organizations use different figures. But it's really it's very difficult to say that, well, what does that go to? Because, I mean, in Somalia you would need a higher level, and in Slovakia you would not need as much, because there's not so much you need. I mean, they have a more working infrastructure. It has to be based on a real figure. I mean, if I have a risk assessment saying that this is what I need in this particular instance, I may even need armored vehicles, even if we don't necessarily want to go there, but sometimes we have to, because the context stipulates that. And of course that will then become a more costly affair. I think that if we can through evidence show that this is what is required, it was also easier to come in competition between program people and donors to say, yes, you had $1 million or pounds, this is what was available, and you say that you want 1.2. Well, it's still 1 million, and then the risk is that safety will be the one that they will be cut away, unless we have evidence to show that this is what we need. So I'm not for to have a percentage to the budget.